To adjust all vibration settings in Google Pixel 10a, first of all, let's open settings on my phone right here. We can then go to the sound and vibration options and scroll down to the vibration and haptics. So first option right here is to either enable or disable all of the vibrations. You can click on this switch to do it. Then there's when they are enabled, we can customize them. So here we have ring vibrations for calls. You can enable them by moving slider to the right and that way adjust the strength as well, or disable it by moving to the left. And this pattern applies to all of the sliders right here as well. So now when it's enabled, we can also activate vibrate first, then ring gradually. Next thing is notifications and alarms. You can enable or disable notification vibrations and alarm vibrations right here. Then there's adaptive vibration. When activated, it will automatically adjust vibrations for your phone depending on the environment. For example, if your phone is in your pocket, it will adjust the vibration so that you can actually feel it. And when there's something loud playing and your phone is on the table, it will also adjust it so that you will notice that your phone is vibrating. Then there's touch feedback, that is the touch vibrations for your phone, media vibrations when there's games that use vibrations as well, and keyboard vibrations when typing. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.